Right, adoption of fees and charges, 2017 and 18. Ariel. Oh, no, sorry.
Sorry, you've got the poor replacement today.
Okay, good afternoon, Nick.
Good afternoon. I'll be very brief. I'll take the report as being read. You will have noted in the report that we've had no submissions on the fees and charges, which means you've not had any requirement to hold a hearing. The fees and charges are sitting in the attached schedule for your approval.
Thank you, Nick. Any questions or queries, Nick? Councillor Cousins.
Chair, just an explanation, and it may have been asked before, and I might have missed it. But on page 59, I wanted to know what an auxiliary operator registration was. I meant to ask that. Any ideas? Under environmental health, auxiliary operator registration.
No, I couldn't tell you, but we can find out.
Oh, it's no bigger. I thought maybe it just seemed a bit bizarre. That's all. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Moved by Councillor Park, seconded by Councillor Cousins. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against? Right, adopted.